Hello, thanks very much for watching. My name is Natalie Armstrong-Motin with Marketing Resolution, and today I have the great pleasure of speaking with Jennifer Terando from Calabasas, California, about her very unique mediation practice. Hi, Jennifer, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing really well. Thanks so much for joining me. I want to talk to you a little bit about your practice, which is a very unique practice, and it's unique because you're unique. Tell me a little bit about your background.
Thank you. To tell you a little bit about myself, I started out as a registered nurse. I worked in the areas of pediatrics and postpartum. Then I went to law school where I concentrated my studies in the area of health law. I had a couple of different positions following law school. Initially, I represented hospitals, physicians, dialysis centers, and then after doing that for several years, I worked on the plaintiff side of litigation, doing catastrophic injury cases, assisting families through some really tough times. And finally, I formed my own practice where I continue to represent physicians and other healthcare clients and became a mediator, which is my true passion. And I'm bringing that all together to focus on the niche practice of medical legal mediation.
I love that. You've really worked all the sides of the circle to be able to handle cases that have to do with healthcare issues. That's fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. What made you decide to move away from law and into mediation?
I have always been drawn to the aspect of the benefits of resolving cases after working with parties and seeing their frustrations, both with the emotional toll litigation takes on clients as well as the cost of litigation. I was always happy to guide clients through alternative dispute resolution, and when clients settled cases, they were generally very happy to have a resolution. And once I began training in the area of mediation, I knew I found my passion.
From both the nurturing end of your personality and the nursing end, the carer end of things, all the way through to the analytical aspects of your personality from a legal I don't know what word to use, but the analytical side of things for you. And I can see how mediation would fulfill both ends of that spectrum nicely.
Thank you. Yes, I'm always very cognizant of clients' emotions. I was always a person in the law firm where the clients would feel comfortable to call me, and I really appreciated that trust. And I love cases because I really love stories, and I love to break things down into the various parts and help people find a solution.
Absolutely. Okay. So tell me a little bit about the resolution access that you provide for clients.
Yes, I started a resolution access program through my company, mediator. And what I feel is important about resolution access is that in my opinion, some of the best cases for mediation are the cases that may not have the highest sticker value in the courtroom, because if you have a case, for example, where a party is seeking $75,000 in damages, by the time they work through all the processes of a civil case and pay court costs and pay for expert witnesses, even if they prevail and get all $75,000 that they were seeking, by the time they pay all their costs and attorney's fees, they're often very disappointed by the amount of money they actually take home. And so I offer a special program called Resolution Access, where the opening offer in a mediation is $75,000 or less. I provide a 2.5-hour mediation for $550 to limit the costs and help hopefully assist the parties in reaching a resolution before the litigation costs escalate.
fantastic. I think that that's absolutely brilliant. I love that about your practice. That's really speaking very highly of your dedication and professionalism to not just our industry, but to the clients as well, to be cognizant of what they want from your services. Well done, Jennifer. Nicely done.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So if someone wanted to hire you as the mediator, do you have a website that they can visit to learn more?
I do. My company is called MedADR, which is short for Medical Alternative Dispute Resolution, and I can be reached at www.med-adr.com.
Excellent. Of course, I will put that web link in the description bar down below for everyone to be able to find that. And then I have just another question. Is it necessary for people to be represented by an attorney to utilize your services, or can they come to you unrepresented?
Parties are definitely welcome to come to me unrepresented.
Okay. All right. So everybody's welcome in Jennifer's world.
Yes.
All right. Excellent. Is there anything else that you'd like to share with us about your practice, Jennifer?
I think we've covered it pretty well.
Okay. All right. Excellent. Well, Jennifer, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate the uniqueness of your practice. Your background is so impressive, and I know that you provide a really good service to your clients. And, thanks very much for sharing it with everyone.
Thank you. It's been great talking to you.
You too. Listen, everyone, if you have a case that you think Jennifer might be able to help with, click on her website, contact her directly. Maybe you know someone who could use services like the services that Jennifer offers. So maybe you want to share this video with someone. But at any rate, she's an outstanding professional and a fantastic ambassador for our industry. I encourage you to contact her. As always, thanks for watching, and be good humans. Bye-bye.
Thank you.